Click cell I4. You will use the AVERAGEIF function here to calculate the average 2021 sales for stores in the South region. Click the Formulas tab on the ribbon. In the Function Library group, click the More Functions button. The More Functions menu opens. The Statistical menu opens. Click AVERAGEIF. The Function Arguments dialog box opens. You will enter the function arguments here. Type D4 through D18 in the Range text box. The AVERAGEIF function will search this range for records that meet the criteria you specify next in the Criteria text box. Type South in the Criteria text. Only records with a region value of South will be included in the AVERAGEIF calculation. Press Tab. Next, you will specify the range whose values will be used in the calculation. Type E4 through E18 in the Average Range text box. For the selected records, the AVERAGEIF function will average the values in this range. Click OK. Excel completes the calculation, averaging the 2021 sales values of all stores with a region value of South, and returns the result in cell I4.